In the summer of 1883, a massive volcanic eruption rocked the world, leaving an indelible mark on history. The name Krakatoa, or Krakatau, is now synonymous with destruction, but few realize just how world-changing the blast was. Located between the islands of Java and Sumatra in Indonesia, Krakatoa had been rumbling for months, showing signs of increasing volcanic activity. However, no one was prepared for the catastrophic explosion that would occur in late August. On the morning of August 27, 1883, Krakatoa unleashed a series of 4 immense explosions, the last of which was heard over 3,000 miles away. People in Australia and as far away as Rodrigues Island in the Indian Ocean reported hearing the deafening blast. The force of the eruption was so powerful that it is still considered one of the loudest sounds in recorded history. The sky darkened, ash plumes rose over 50 miles into the atmosphere, and within hours, the island was largely obliterated. But the blast itself was only the beginning. The eruption triggered massive tsunamis that devastated coastal towns along the Sunda Strait. Waves as high as 120 feet slammed into Java and Sumatra, killing over 36,000 people in total. Entire towns were wiped off the map, and countless ships were overturned or sunk. In the months that followed, the aftermath of Krakatoa's eruption was felt across the globe. The immense amount of ash and sulfur dioxide released into the atmosphere caused temperatures worldwide to drop, a phenomenon known as volcanic winter. The sun was blotted out in many parts of the world, and for months people reported vivid red sunsets, due to the ash particles lingering in the atmosphere. Even the weather in Europe and North America was affected, with strange cloud formations and eerie colored skies that captured the imagination of artists and scientists alike. The eruption of Krakatoa was a world-changing event, not just because of the immediate destruction, but also because it marked the first time a disaster of this magnitude was communicated quickly across the world. The recently laid submarine telegraph cables allowed news of the eruption and its effects to spread within hours, drawing global attention to the scale of the disaster. This eruption became one of the first natural events to be studied globally in real time, shaping the future of volcanic research and early warning systems. Krakatoa's eruption in 1883 forever altered the physical geography of the region. The volcano itself collapsed into the sea, leaving behind a massive caldera. But nature never truly rests. In the decades that followed, new volcanic activity in the region led to the formation of a new island, Anak Krakatau, or Child of Krakatoa, which continues to grow and remind the world that the forces that shaped 1883's devastation are still very much alive today.